I'm coming in with 1 onion that I diced, and I'm placing that right on top of my cooked turkey leg. I have some celery. It's about 3 stalks that I cut up right in there in my crock pot with my turkey and my onions. I have a bell pepper that I diced as well for this super easy and delicious turkey side dish. Yep, you heard that right, side dish. This is gonna be so good. Yum. Of course, we're gonna add some garlic. I'm doing the already pre-minced garlic, but you can do fresh garlic if that's what you prefer. And I'm gonna add a generous amount because that is a big turkey leg. This is gonna be a big serving. You can obviously cut this in half and do a smaller turkey leg, but I tried to get the biggest one I could find at Walmart. Now I'm gonna grab my family-sized pack of fresh green beans and we're gonna place that right in our crock pot with our turkey and all of our other veggies. Ooh, that one doesn't look good. Okay, we are gonna just spread this out as best as we can. I do have a larger 8-quart crock pot, so keep that in mind. You can do a smaller bag of green beans if you'd like. Of course, this is gonna need at least 1 stick of butter that will melt and get nice and juicy as the crock pot cooks. We're gonna season this with a little bit of onion powder. You can season this however you like, but this is gonna have a lot of flavor, so we want to make sure we bring the seasoning. We're doing some garlic powder, call me crazy. I know we already added fresh garlic, but we need some powder as well. Some smoked paprika. You can do regular paprika if you don't have smoked, but I prefer the smoked paprika. Beautiful. We have some black pepper, and I know you guys are probably already saying I'm seasoning this too much, but trust me, I am not. This is a big serving. And last but certainly not least, we have our Cajun seasoning, the best you can buy, and we're gonna go ahead and open that up and add this. It might make you sneeze, but it is well worth it. This is gonna be the best seasoning, the one you wanna use the most of. All right, we got that in there. And to kind of just add some flavor, we're gonna add a few capfuls of our apple cider vinegar. Trust me, you do not want to skip this part because with all of that savoriness in there, you're gonna need a little bit of this apple cider vinegar. All right, 3 capfuls should be perfect. Beautiful. And then last but certainly not least, we're gonna add some chicken broth. And we're going to add about 1 to 2 cups, so about 1/4 to a half of this box. And I'm just eyeballing it because all good chefs should be able to measure with their heart. Beautiful. All right, and this is ready to start cooking. I cannot wait to smell that turkey leg. We're gonna pop this on high and get this going. All right, it's been 4 hours on high. Let's go ahead and turn this off and let's check this out. Oh, it smells absolutely amazing in here. Now let's go ahead and check out that turkey. Oh, it looks so good. We're gonna move our green beans to the side so we can get to that bone. And ideally, we should just be able to, oh yeah, see how that just comes off the bone? That's what we want. Slow cooked. I know it was already cooked. Came off so nicely. Let's put that to the side. It is time to mix everything together. Oh my goodness. This looks absolutely incredible. We want to kind of just make sure that that turkey gets nice and shredded. This is going to be delicious. Let's get this nice and mixed together.
It smells so good.
Yeah. All right, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and scoop up our turkey green beans. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. And how you're gonna wanna eat this is with a piece of cornbread. Get it all in that juices. Looks so yummy. All right, I got my fork. I'm gonna grab some of that turkey, some of the green beans. That looks absolutely delicious.
Is it good?
Wow, that is so flavorful, so juicy, so tender. I mean, you guys, that's as easy as can be.